Hi, I'm Kevin.
I'm Misty.
I'm Christy.
I'm Catherine.
And this is What's Cooking for Dinner. We're your hosts. If you like our videos, click the like and subscribe button. That way you can get all the latest content. Hey, I'm Kevin. I'm hosting What's Cooking for Dinner right now. I'm cooking a beef brisket, and this is my first time ever using the smoker in a beef brisket. I've smoked other things, but it's been a little while. But my first time ever doing a brisket, and so I'm gonna really chance it here. I've never done this. I want to try it. We'll see how it goes. You'll get to see the journey too. I'll post some pictures here in just a second. I've got some seasoning I used. I've got a little olive oil, which I read on an online article, said use some olive oil to coat it before I put the seasoning. And then I coated it, and then I coated the seasoning on top of it. I'm going to show you that right now. Alright, so the temperature is up to 156 degrees right now, 157 now. I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and that way it's in cooking. I'm Kevin, and I'm here with What's Cooking for Dinner. Just wanted to update you. We had our brisket cooking. It temped for a little while, not like it temped as in it was done, but we had the temperature going good on the smoker. And as you can see, it's a little bit stormy outside. And apparently the power went off while we had gone out to eat today, or just a little while ago. So we got it back on, and I just showed you a little view of the brisket, and it's looking really good. It smells really good while it's cooking. I just want to give you a quick update. And my lens is fogging over because of the moisture and the being cool in the house with the camera. So. Alright, I'm out here. It's late at night. It's pushing the midnight hour. I wanted to come out and check the brisket, see how it's doing. It's temping at about 170 right now on the side, so we still got a little ways to go. I'm going to stay up for a couple hours tonight and check it out throughout the night, and then hopefully probably 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I'm going to guess it'll be done in the morning. We've had a little bit of lightning and thunder this evening, so it's been hard to check. There's still water in the bottom below the brisket to keep it moist in the smoker. So I'm going to refill the wood chips, and I'll check it again later. I'm getting ready to go pull the brisket. It's finally temped out, and the next thing I read on the recipe for instructions was to pull it out, wrap it in tin foil, and put it in an ice chest with some towels wrapped around it. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, it says to let it sit for about 2 hours in the cooler, so we're gonna let it sit, and it smells really, really delicious.
Like, subscribe, and make us famous, baby.